In this video, I will teach you how to work the single crochet chevron stitch. This stitch is really popular to work blankets. You can do stripes that follow the chevron pattern, scarves, many things. It is also a good way to introduce some simple increases and decreases in crochet. So to begin, I have chained 28 stitches. This stitch will be worked in multiples of 13. So I did 2 multiples of 13, 26, plus 2 more, so 28 total stitches. To begin, you will single crochet into the second chain stitch. So skip the first one, single crochet into the second chain, and you will then single crochet into that same stitch. So you will have 2 single crochets worked into the same stitch. You will then crochet 5, single crochet 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can tell right there you have your 5 single crochets and then your 2 crochets into the first stitch. Now you will skip the next 2 chain stitches and single crochet into the third. This will make a point. You'll continue 5 more, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On the next stitch, into the next chain stitch, you will crochet 3 single crochets into the same stitch. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and 3 single crochet. All in that same chain stitch. Crochet 5 more single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 into the third, single crochet, and then single crochet 4 more, so that's 5 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And in the final chain stitch that you still have left to be worked, you will, it's a little tight, but you will single crochet twice into that last chain stitch. So 1 and 2. You will then chain 1 and turn your work. So you will work row 2 in the same way, except for you'll be working into the stitch, not the chain. So through that first stitch, you're going to work 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and we're going to go 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once more, we will skip those 2, and into the third we will single crochet 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we are to the stitch where we will work 3 into the same stitch. So 3 single crochets into this 1 crochet stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we will work 5 more straight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more, 5. We will skip the next 2 and work 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It'll be a bit hard to see. And then don't forget about that last stitch there. We will work 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Got a little tight on me. So 2 single crochets into this last stitch. Make sure that you count while you're working this because it gets a bit hard to tell where you are if you lose count. So you can see we have just from 2 rows we already have the points forming and the dips. So the high points are where you work 3 into the same stitch, and the low points are where you skip the 2. So it will want to curl a little bit, but as you work, it'll lay flat. Continue in that way, just as done on row 2. And that is the single crochet chevron stitch.